Hey, and welcome back to Games, Coffee, and Collecting. Today we're taking a look at a graphics card I just picked up for my wife's build. It's a GTX 1080. It's a 4-1 hybrid from EVGA, obviously. So, I just wanted to do a classic unboxing, see what came in the box, and see what's inside. So first up, we have tamper seals. So let's crack it open. Alrighty. So she's upgrading from a AMD RX 560 right now. So this should be quite the upgrade. She mainly plays Overwatch, but has been wanting to play The Witcher. She's got a 1080p 144Hz monitor, and the RX 560 just isn't really capable of pushing anything that can handle that. So, wow, that's a really nice looking box, actually. So here we got part number, serial number. Inside is more packaging. Ooh, first look at the graphics card. Alright, so that aside for right now, looks like we get this EVGA envelope. Comes with stickers. You know, it's great for every PC. I want to smack this big 6-inch sticker on the side of my case, obviously. Comes with some notices about how to properly set it up and how to not set it up. So it's saying to avoid setting it up in a pull configuration coming in from the bottom of the case. Okay. And it's saying basically to route it on the back of your case in your typical 120 or 140 mil location and exhaust. It looks like they've got it set up for exhaust. And driver CD, so you can just throw that away. HDMI, yeah, cool, it's got HDMI. It's amazing, even though I won't be using it, but 10/900 series, you know, in case you're interested in your 1080. Looks like we get a little plaque that you can put on the side of your case, you know, like the ones you see with the Intel Inside or whatever. I'll probably throw that away too. Alright, so that looks standard. And it looks like we got a poster, actually, which is kind of cool. EVGA, Superior Hardware. So I really do like this brand. They're my favorite brand of graphics. It looks like Zenyatta from Overwatch, actually, funny enough. So they're my favorite brand of PC parts. I think that they make really good quality components, so graphics cards, power supplies, closed loop coolers, all of that. So what else is in here? This is heavy, and the actual graphics card user guide. So I don't know what this is supposed to be, but if you want to know more about your card, you should actually use this one. So I really like them for their warranties and their customer service. They're like renowned for their customer service. I've heard so many stories of people who have, a GTX 970 or something in it. It craps the bed. So they ship it to them for support, to RMA it, and they get sent back like a 1070, full upgrade for free, which is pretty cool. So first look, you can see the actual card itself. All right, it's very nicely packaged in this foam. It is very thick foam. Oh, they've got this thing all coiled up. All right. Oh man, that looks really good. So put that away for right now. So everything is wrapped in this anti-static bag. Tension, This is ESD. Yeah, so beware of ESD, I guess, inside of the ESD bag, in case you didn't know. I want to try and not pull a Linus or a JS2 Sense and like drop it and destroy it before it's even, you know, used. All right, man, the backplate looks great too. So here we go. More plastic covering just to make sure you don't scratch it. Yeah, so it looks like you have a small, what is that, like a 80 mil fan blowing on the VRMs. There's a heatsink right straight beneath the fan as well to help cool the VRMs and everything. PCI. All right, cool. So on the back, you've got a DVI in case you are still rocking a DVI monitor. Dual link DVI. One HDMI and 3 display ports, all nicely plugged. Your SLI fingers in case you wanted to run a couple of these bad Jacksons. That's actually the goal eventually, is to get another one when the next line of cards comes out. I'd like to get one more of these, run them in SLI. Games like Overwatch, specifically Overwatch, actually run surprisingly well in SLI. I know most developers these days don't really support that too much anymore, but I guess Blizzard still does for Overwatch. So I know like there's a lot of people out there who are saying maybe you shouldn't buy, you know, a 1080 or a 1080 Ti this late into 2018. But so far, like, there's been no real announcements for the next line of graphics cards from NVIDIA. Vega is so hard to come by, and they're so expensive anymore that it's not worth it for me. So we were trying to play Dauntless on her RX 560, and she's rocking like a solid like 20 FPS, and that with everything set to like the lowest possible settings. So it was time to upgrade, and figured I'd go big rather than spend some money now and then spend some money later. I'd just spend a little bit more now, get her a great card that will be good for many years, and then not have to worry about it for a while. So looks like we have a 120 mil AIO on this side. The fins look to be in good shape. I've heard people say that they get their brand new card out of the box and the fins are already damaged from manufacturing or packaging and stuff. So looks all good. 120 mil fan, three pin fan. Run it back to the card, so you don't have to worry about finding a port on your motherboard. So that's about it. So next couple days, I'll upload another video, some gaming benchmarks. You know, Far Cry, Overwatch. You know, a whole gamut of games. So if you're interested in seeing how this performs, stay tuned, and I'll let you know. Thanks for watching.